starting another 1 hour time box of work on my Cappuccino. My current goal is to get this cam carrier off, cleaned up, and then slap both of the cam carriers on. Might be able to do it in an hour. Should be able to do it in an hour. We'll see. Yeah, I got the cam carrier off. The cams and the finger followers look pretty good. I did it a little lazy and I didn't bother taking the dizzy off. Yeah, this gasket is super flat. Looks like there was some schmooze thing going on over here. Don't know what that's about. I'll clean that all up and slap a new gasket on it and clean this up and call it a day. So that's both cam carriers out, serviced, new cam seals, new gaskets, and ready to go back on. Cleaned up as best as I could, as much as I cared to, with some simple green and agitator brush and over-ag. I have reached the end of my prescribed time box, and I'm not done. I have new cover gaskets, seals are in, everything's there. I am missing exactly one M6 by 35 cap head, so I'm gonna make a run to Osh, get that, and then I'll come back and so I'll get that, come back, torque this down, be done with it. And I'm running into sadness. They're closed. I mean, they got what I need. All right, there we go. Top end is back together. All the hoses are connected. They're clamped in the correct places. I've wiped everything down. Full disclosure, this is the second set of cam seals I put in. The first set, I drove them in a little too far because I was using the socket and didn't quite go to the edges. For these, I printed this cam tool and it worked a treat. It's great. I have doused the engine a little bit with some degreaser. It's been chilling for a little bit. I'm going to agitate it with a brush. And I'll hit it with a steamer to knock some of the stuff off. Yeah, so throwing a little bit of degreaser on there, letting it sit and agitate for a minute or three, and hitting it with the steam cleaner has actually helped quite a bit. I don't see it, but it's cleaning that up a lot. That was really a gunky boily boy. I'll probably come and do this again tomorrow morning. Hose it down with some more degreaser, let it sit, do some agitation. Like you can see, there are some places here where it's still pretty greasy, which is not so cool.